having a maximum CTC of around 11 lakhs.
Wow.
From my current CTC, that was 5.5. So it's 100% hike that I have achieved in this duration. And I am very much grateful to you, and all those steps that I have followed has really changed my game. Yeah, I was able to grab 3 offer letters in that range.
Wow, super awesome. That is really fantabulous. Hi everyone, Saurabh this side, and today I have an amazing person, Shirsh, with all of us who would be sharing his story, his journey, how he was stuck at his first company for 5 to 6 years, and then he started off with the process. He's followed the strategies, and now he has been able to got more than 100% hike. So let's welcome Shirsh in an amazing manner and listen to his story, how he has been able to achieve that benchmark. Hi Shirsh.
Yeah, hi Saurav.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. How are you?
Absolutely amazing. So, Shirsh, first of all, just tell us that how has been the results? What was your previous CTC? What is the actual results? What you have been able to get? And then we'll get into the backstory.
Yeah, so I have around 5.5 years of experience, out
Mm-hmm.
of which I have worked in majority of in production support job. But
Okay.
I always wanted to switch to a developer profile.
Mm-hmm.
So after on my joining date of
Mm-hmm.
current organization, that is Infosys, on
Mm-hmm.
14 September, I joined this community as well. It was my fifth anniversary in the company. So
Mm-hmm.
it took me 5 months now, and after that, now I am having a maximum CTC of around 11 lakhs.
Wow.
From my current CTC, that was 5.5. So it's 100% hike that I have achieved in this duration,
Correct.
and I am very much grateful to you. And all those steps that I have followed has
Mm-hmm.
really changed my game in this market.
Super awesome to listen to your results, and I can see that smile on your face. This is absolutely incredible. So, Shirsh, okay, that is perfectly awesome. That is perfectly fine. You have been able to go from 5.5 to 11 lakhs of CTC, but there would be some pointers, there would be some backstory, there would be some things which would be struggling you, which would be bothering you for a long time. So, for how long you have been trying for a job change, but it was not happening?
Yes, so it actually, first of all, this 5.5 years of experience in the first company itself is very painful.
Mm-hmm.
And it came as a big hit on me last year in Jan. So I started applying for jobs, but I was not getting any results.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but that was very much painful for me. But like being much behind in my own self, that I am not good in my current salary. I am having this much of experience, so it
Mm-hmm.
was very much painful for me. Yeah,
Correct. So that is like a big thing for a lot of people. Even I was like the maximum time I have spent with one company was around 3.5 years, and like once you cross 3 years, once you cross 4 years, then it starts getting painful. It starts getting like I'm stuck at one salary, I'm stuck at one level. I'm not able to increment the packages. I'm not able to increment the salaries to the next level altogether. So I completely understand that pain and that feeling of yours. So, Shirsh, what was the second thing? What was bothering you? Okay, that was the first point which was bothering you. What is the second point or the second thing which was like making you trouble?
yeah, the hike structure in the current company, it
Mm-hmm.
was very much low, and
Mm-hmm.
7 to 8% hike every year. It was
Mm-hmm.
not giving me any like satisfaction. After
Mm-hmm.
doing a lot of efforts in my
Mm-hmm.
project, so I
Mm-hmm.
was giving my 100%. I was even going across my project manager's expectations. I
Mm-hmm.
was fulfilling all the requirements, but
Mm-hmm.
being in the same organization, I was not getting any appreciations. So
Mm-hmm.
these appreciations, I believe, I that was only possible if I tried to go for another organization. So
Absolutely.
this
Mm-hmm.
appreciation and this motivation only, I was
Mm-hmm.
very much in back. Like I was
Mm.
hit hard very much because
Correct.
of these ignorance kind of situations.
Mm.
So this was much demoralizing, and
Mm.
yeah, I know because of the salary and appreciations.
Absolutely, and that's one of the hardest point what like anyone can go across in his journey. So
Yeah.
Shirsh, what as you mentioned that you were into the production support since starting of the things, and you were trying to move into the production, and you were trying to move into the development part of it. So
Yes.
just throw some light on that part. That what was your domain, what you were working, and what was the tasks were given to you, and what you were actually trying to prepare on.
Okay. So I was keen to study Java. Like
Mm-hmm.
I was trained in Java basically
Mm-hmm.
before joining industry, and
Okay.
I had little bit of experience in Python. That was
Mm-hmm.
also in training.
ठीक है.
So in production support, I was doing only like copy pasting things, Excel maintaining, and
Mm-hmm.
only responding to mails and these like BPO jobs. I was
Mm-hmm.
very much frustrated doing all these things that I have never, I was never like studied this much, and I'm doing this after those efforts in the organization.
Mm-hmm.
So this was very much disturbing for me. And yeah, what I started doing after that was I started learning myself. I started scaling up on the skill side that do you know. I
Mm-hmm.
started going ahead on doing the automations for the project, and
Mm-hmm.
I was like getting confidence that yeah, I can switch my profile. I
Mm-hmm.
can go into developer. I can
Mm-hmm.
gain that confidence back. That
Mm-hmm.
yeah, can I am move for. I am like I deserve more than this. That's the task I am doing currently.
Absolutely. So the whole journey of Shirsh was in that 5.5 years. He was into production support. He was trying a lot of things. He was trying and like trying to get something on a development side, but you were not getting. And finally, getting on to the journey, like getting onto the platforms where you will be working on the development of Java backend, and like it is a fabulous achievement. Congratulations, Shirsh. Okay.
Thank you so
So
much.
just brief us about like how has been your journey in the Massive Eye community?
Okay, so I started getting this difference in my profile uh,
Mm-hmm.
instantly after joining the Massive Hike community. I just first of all I updated my profile, my resume. I
Mm-hmm.
made a virtual resume,
Mm-hmm.
and I was getting shortlisted after that better than before, and I
Mm-hmm.
was getting lots of calls. Like I was getting around 10 calls
Mm-hmm.
in a day basis. I used to give interviews a lot, and if I have made a spreadsheet of my interviews. I count that I have given around 45 interviews till now,
Wow.
and yeah, there's been a lot of struggle and lot of efforts that I have put on. But
Mm-hmm.
yeah, the challenge that was coming to me was still there. That I was not going par. I was not getting across the line. I was not
Correct.
finishing it. So yeah, I would like to add on among all the achievers. All the achievers have given lots of good points that we should follow. I would
Mm-hmm.
like to add one point on top of it that guys, please prepare a video resume. It You
Mm-hmm.
don't know what benefit it will give you.
Correct.
It is yeah, we think that it is for getting shortlisted purpose.
Mm-hmm.
But for a person like me who is all means most of the time is who I am very low in confidence. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
I I feel that I can't talk. I can't take rejections. That
Mm-hmm.
was all those fear that happened to me.
Mm-hmm.
But I made a video resume only 10 days back, and
Mm.
see in last week only I went from like all those job opportunities getting this much hike, and
Mm-hmm.
I was not able that only 90 seconds of video I
Mm.
prepared that boosted my confidence to a next level, and I was able to say about myself, about my technology, about everything that my interview used to ask. That
Correct.
really has changed uh, the way of giving me interview. So I understood that yeah, I was going good in my technical side.
Mm-hmm.
I had prepared my question bank. I was giving all those answers, but the thing that interview looks is
Mm-hmm.
good confidence, good communication skills that will come up when you will prepare this video resume, and that is really a
Correct.
game changer.
So, Shirsh, in past 10 days, you're mentioning that in last 10 days you prepared your video resume. How many offer letters you have been able to grab in that past 10, 12 days?
Yeah, I was able to grab three offer letters in that range.
Wow, super awesome. That is really fantabulous. It is something
Yeah.
like a rocket which goes like this and just make a big blast.
Yeah.
Super awesome. So, Shirsh, what do you think is the majority of the people who are working into your domain, who are working into Java, who are working on the backend things, they are struggling at? Like, what is the main point they're struggling, and how do you feel they can overcome that problem
Like
when they're going and approaching different interviews and all those things?
Uh, in Java domain, yeah, I have understood that yeah, I was good in Java.
Mm-hmm.
I have to excel in it. But there are major frameworks that are in industry that is required along with Java that you
Mm-hmm.
should be aware, and at least be a little bit conceptually good in some of them. And first of all, I was only good in like Java. I was okay in Spring and Hibernate, so
Mm-hmm.
people used to ask about them. But I have
Mm-hmm.
got this that people that most of the interviewers, they are asking, they are looking for candidates having Spring Boot experience, having REST API experience.
Okay.
So these two, I was not even knowing names before I started giving interviews, but
Mm-hmm.
I went through online portals. I started
Mm-hmm.
learning. I started creating some applications myself on those structures, like
Okay.
these two domains. So as per current market standards, these are
Mm-hmm.
some requirements that a Java
Mm-hmm.
developer should be having in his profile. So it
Okay.
will take your journey from this level to that level. Yeah.
Wow, super awesome. Great. So that is phenomenal, Shirsh. The key pointers, the highlights, what you have added, it is going to help a lot of people, whether they are part of our community or whether they are not part of the community. It is absolutely the golden nuggets what you have shared.
Yeah.
My second thing to you is that what was a game changer for you when you joined the community? Like, what was that thing which actually boosted the entire thing?
Yeah, the first thing was profile shortlisting that I was not going part before
Okay.
joining the community.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, and even I was getting all those interviews, some round of interviews I was getting cleared. Like most of them was telephonic. I was
Correct.
clearing all those telephonic rounds. But
Mm-hmm.
as soon as I come to the video round, I was getting nervous a lot.
Hmm.
So yeah, there are lots of things that make you down in confidence. So what more thing I have did, like I have started listening to some affirmations at
Mm-hmm.
night. Sometimes there has been a lot of sleepless night for me, where I was thinking what will happen, what will not happen next day on
Mm-hmm.
the interview
Mm-hmm.
day. So I have started listening to affirmations, and this has given me some great positivity in the mind, in the subconscious mind.
Mm-hmm.
So these were some part, and yeah. If I'll tell about more on the structure of the massive hike
Mm-hmm.
framework, you should follow step by step, and
Mm-hmm.
every point you should be noting it down and just blindly follow it. It will
Mm-hmm.
give you results. So each of them, yeah, it will give you results.
Wow, super awesome, Shesh. And it has been really fantabulous interacting with you, getting to know the backstory, getting to know the complete structure. When did you join the community?
I joined on 14 September 2020.
14 September 2020. Wow. So in like around 4.5 months, you have been able to produce those results. And
Yeah.
what is your next plan of action?
Next plan is I'll be joining the company have giving me this Max CTC, and
Okay.
I'll try to learn more and more,
Mm-hmm.
because I from now only I am planning that after 1 year or longer
Mm-hmm.
duration, what where I'll be standing if I'm
True,
going for
correct.
my second or third switch. So
Absolutely.
yeah, not we as of like lots of my friends, they are stuck in the job, that how
Mm.
the manager is thinking, how will I get
Mm-hmm.
appreciations in small terms. But
Mm.
guys, these will be always temporary, and
Mm-hmm.
if you are getting good hike,
Mm-hmm.
everything will be gone. So it's better to look for switch and look for self learning better than getting stuck in those job roles. You have to take time out for yourself.
Absolutely. So, Shirsh, what was the hike or what was that number on top of your mind before entering or before joining the community? Or what was the figure you used to feel that, okay, this is the figure I'll be getting, and like how that changed after getting the experience?
Yeah, so before joining the community, I was hoping to get 10 LPA as my expectations. But yeah,
Okay.
on getting boosted in the community, I started believing that I will be getting 100% hike. So that even that I have signed as a contract in
Mm-hmm.
this community, that I'll be getting 100% hike. So yeah,
Mm.
that I have finally achieved, and I am very much happy that yeah, I've been true to my words.
Hmm.
I finally
Great.
achieved.
It's all about like committing first. I totally believe that you need to commit first and then you have to do whatever it takes. Because a lot of times we keep on thinking whether this will happen or not, whether this is going to work or not, whether this is actually turn out or not. So first you commit and then you make it possible, like whatever means. So that is what really works and that is what produce results. So
Yes.
it was lovely interacting with you, Shirsh, and it
Same here.
is glad that you shared your interaction, you shared your experience, you shared the golden nuggets with every single person.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
What is your last point or last recommendation for everyone who is watching this video?
Yeah, guys, like for me, joining this community was the biggest, was the like best decision of my life,
Mm-hmm.
and I was getting all those improvements. Every good steps was happening to me.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yeah, I feel that I should have made this video resume much earlier. So yeah,
Mm.
that would have given me a better result much before. But
Great.
anyways, now I have got this, and I feel the best game changer for me is this video resume that
Wow.
has taken my confidence level to the next part. And,
Wow, absolutely, Shirsh, and all the super best, all the very best of your upcoming offer letters. And you'll be joining the new company, you'll be starting the new journey. So it will be fantabulous. Thank you so much.
thank you so much.